Okay, so another video lesson sa volleyball rules at FIVB volleyball rules 2021 to 2024. Number 4 sa rules ng FIVB sa volleyball is teams. So let's go with our presentation. So 4.1 team composition. So 4.11 for the match, a team may consist of 12 players plus coaching staff, one coach, a maximum of 2 assistant coaches, medical staff, one team therapist, and one medical doctor. So 12 players ang delegates mo plus 1, 13. Kung may dalawang assistant coaches is 15. Then, one therapist, 15, 16, and one medical doctor is 17. So, for example, pumunta kayo sa isang big event, sa volleyball game, pwedeng 17 from the 12 players. Yan. Only those listed on score sheet may normally enter the competition. So, control area, take part of the official warm-up and in the match. Dun sa ang tawag ito, dun sa score sheet, susulat yung mga name ng players. If ever mag-iba po yung number ng player at yung jersey niya, sabi ibang tao po yun. So, hindi siya pwede maglaro that day. So, sa FIVB World and official competitions for seniors, up to 14 players may be recorded on the score sheet and play in a match. The maximum of 5 staff members on the bench, including the coach chosen by the coach herself, must be listed on the score sheet or registered on the O2 BIS. The team manager or the team journalist may not sit on or behind the bench in the control area. Any medical doctor or therapist used in FIBB, ano rin to yung mga medical doctor or therapist, ano rin sila, naka-license po sila sa FIBB, kailangan registered po din sila. Baka hindi niyo po alam na sa mga FIBB World Competition, hindi sila basta-basta pwede umupo dun sa benches ng mga players unless they are duly licensed or recognized by the FIBB. So, official competition may part of the official delegation and accreditation credit beforehand by the FIBB. Ito nga isasabi ko, dapat naka-accredit sila or recognized by the FIBB. However, for FIBB World Official Competition for seniors, if they are not included as members on the team bench, they must sit against the delimitation fence since the competition control or sit in a special place indicated in the special competition handbook may only intervene if invited by the referees to deal with an emergency to the players. Team therapists, even not on the bench, may assist in the warm-up until the start of the net warm-up session. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung medical staff, medical therapist nila, during the warm-up, pwede silang pumasok ng playing area. Nga lang, pagdating dun sa official game, lalabas sila dun sa may pinaka fence na official competition na hindi sila pwede nasa loob unless tatawagin sila ng referee to assist them pag mayroong mga special situations like accidents like that. Pero wag naman sana. The official regulations for each event will be found in specific competition book. 4.1.2. One of the players is the team captain shall be indicated on the score sheet. So, pag sinulat yan ng scorer, kailangan na alam nila kung sino yung team captain. 4.1.3. Only the players recorded the score sheet may enter the court and play in the match. Once the coach and team captains have signed the score sheet or team list or electronic score sheet, the recorded players cannot be changed. Okay, let's go with the location of the team. So, 4.2. 4.2.1. The players not in the play should be either sitting on the team bench or in the warm-up area. The coach and other team members will sit on the bench but may temporarily leave it. The benches for the teams are located beside the scorer's table outside the free zone. Yung mga na-substitute, yung players not in play, nasa free zone sila sa ano sila, sa warm-up area. Okay? Yung nakaupo doon yung registered na medical doctor, assistant coaches, and also yung coach din mismo. 4.2.2, only the team composite members are permitted to enter the playing area to sit on the bench during the match and participate in the official warm-up session. So, hindi pwedeng hindi siya kasama tapos andun siya. So, kailangan nakalista. Players not in play may warm up without balls as follows. 4.2.3. Yan, pwede naman talaga. Kasi nakalista na, yung 4.2.3, nakalista naman sila sa official score sheet eh. Kaya pwede sila mag-warm up. 4.2.3.1. So players not in play may warm up without balls as follow. During play, in the warm up areas. Pangalawa, during timeouts in the free zone behind the court. Pang 4.2.4. During set intervals, players warm up using balls within their own free zone. So, pwede naman sila maglaro. Ito yung mga ginagawa ng mga players na nasa free zone. Minsan naglalaro sila, minsan pukulitan sila, minsan they want to warm up without the ball. So, yung pwede yun. Diba? Basta hindi lang sila makakasagabal doon sa actual playing area. Equipment, 4.3. A player's equipment consists of jerseys, shorts, socks, the uniform, and the sports shoes. 4.3.1. The color of the design of the jersey, socks, shorts, and socks must be uniform for the team except for the libero. The uniforms must be clean. So, siguro naman, hindi na understandable naman to. Okay? The shoes must be light and pliable with rubber or composite soles without heels. Okay. Mahirap na siguro maglaro na may heels yung sapatos. Tapos, rubber or composite sole. Sabihin yung dumidikit or medyo kapit na kapit sa court. And 4.3.3, players jersey must ordered from 1 to 20. So, pag nag-21 kayo, baka hindi natin makapaglaro. Kasi, ito yung nakalagay sa official natin na rules. Ibig sabihin, pagka nag-ano ka ng 0, baka hindi ka payagan maglaro. Kasi, the player's jersey are specifically written as 1 to 20 only. In FIBB World official competitions for seniors, where larger playing squads are used, numbers may be extended. So, pero pag naglaro naman kayo sa inyong mga liga, it's the choice of the organizer. Kung wala silang ground rules about this one, FIBB yung mag-take effect. Pero wala naman sigurong masama kung lumagpas kayo ng mga 21, 22, basta it's indicated na sa ground rules pwede kayo mag-numbers from 0 or 21 above. Okay? 4.3.3.1. The number must be placed on the jersey on the center and the front and the back. So kailangan kasi ako as a referee, nahihirapan din ako tumingin na number kapag maliit or hindi contrast yung kulay. Minsan, nag-score sheet ako, nawawala ako dun, napapipito ako kasi nagkakamali ako ng tingin sa number. Kaya sana, sa mga makakapakinig nito, pag nagpagawa kayo ng jersey, super contrast from the jersey color and the number. Pati yung nasisisi kami pag nagkakamali kami ng tingin kasi sa malayo, minsan may nakita ko number 2, akala ko number 9. Kasi ang labo nung number, ang liit ng number, tapos parang humahalod sa jersey, hindi ko malaman kung number 2 or number 9 or any number. So, yun yung experience ko about jerseys. The number 4.3.3.2. The number must be a minimum of 15 cm in height on the chest and a minimum of 20 cm height on the back. So, the stripe forming the number shall be minimum of 2 cm in width. Sana ma-follow to ng mga teams, malaman nila na may ganitong rule para lahat po ng numbers can be readable kahit malayo. Kasi for me, like me, ah, nag-score sheet, nagre-referee, minsan magkakamali ka ng tingin sa tapos yung iba walang number sa harap, nasa likod lang. Eh lagi naman nakaharap yung mga player sa referee. So might as well sa harap may number din talaga sa harap. 4.3.4. The team captain must have his or her jersey a stripe of 8 by 2 centimeter underlining the number of the chest. So, yun. Para malaman din kung sino talaga si captain during the game. Okay? Pero, 4.3.5 is forbidden to wear uniforms of different color, of a color different from that of the other players, except for the libero. May nangyari po sa amin nakaraan yan. Ang uniform po ng team is purple. Nagpagawa yung dalawa na huli lang sila nagpagawa. Lumabas sa kulay is blue. So, hindi naman namin kasalanan yun. But, the ground rule says that the players have to have a same uniform. Pag sinabing parehas ng kulay, parehas ng design, the design was correct, but the color is not. So, hindi namin sila pinayagan maglaro. Okay? Ito na lang kasimple. Change of equipment. The first referee may authorize one or more players 4.4.1 to play barefoot. So pwede po tayong maglaro ng barefoot. Pero ang ano lang dito, it's for the player at kung papayagan ni referee. Kasi sabi dito, first referee may authorize one or more players. Sabihin, si referee pa rin yung masusunod kung payagan niya o hindi. Kasi meron nakalagay na may authorize. Tapos 4.2.2, the referee may authorize one or more players to change, wet, or damage uniform between sets or after substitution, provided the color, design, number, and the new uniforms are the same. Tama naman. Kasi pwede naman palit na basta, ano lang naman, basta parehas sa parehas. 4.3.3, to play in training suits in cold weather provided that they are of same color design for the whole team. Basta pagka naglaro naman kayo, may parang jogging pants or may padding sa tuhod, basta pare-parehasan ng kulay. So, sa rule 4.3.3, balikan nga natin yung 4.3.3 kung ano sinasabi doon. Ayan. Player's jersey must wear 1 to 20. Yun lang naman nasa 4.2.3. Forbidden objects. Okay. Ano ba ang forbidden object? It is forbidden to wear objects that may cause injury or give artificial advantage to the player. Okay? So, for example, yung sa NBA na sapatos yung nagpapataas ang talon, something like that. Pinabawal na nila yan. Players may wear glasses or lenses at their own risk. Hindi naman siya bawal. Compression pads, padded injury protection devices may be worn protection support. For FIBB and World Official Competition for seniors, this device must be of the same color as the corresponding part of the uniform. Black, white, or neutral colors may be used to provide that is all using players wear the same color. Kaya, ano pa rin, uniform pa rin talaga. Okay? Siguro that's it for our, number 4, team composition and for the teams. Okay? So, ang team natin is consists of 12 players. So, meron din tayong coach, maximum of 2 assistant coach, medical staff, physiotherapist, and medical doctor. Pero, dun sa mga official or FIB World Competition for Seniors, pwede kayo mag-14. Unless, magbabago ng ground rules ang commissioner ng liga na 12 players lang. Pero, usually, sinasagad na lang 14 players talaga. Okay? So, bye-bye everyone.